Voiceover, friend requests not showing on Snapchat. Let's fix it in under a minute. On-screen caption, fix friend requests not showing. Voiceover, Step 1, check your pending requests. On-screen caption, Step 1, pending requests. Voiceover, open Snapchat, then tap your profile in the top left. On-screen caption, open profile with an arrow to the Bitmoji/profile. Voiceover, scroll to friends and tap add friends. On-screen caption, friends add friends. Voiceover, here you'll see added me and quick add. Check for any pending requests under added me. On-screen caption, check added me. Voiceover, if nothing's there but you still expect requests, let's fix the app itself. On-screen caption, it's still missing next. Voiceover, Step 2, update Snapchat to the latest version. On-screen caption, Step 2, update app. Voiceover, Step 3, check your privacy settings. On-screen caption, Step 3, privacy. Voiceover, go to contact me and make sure it's set to everyone or friends as you prefer. On-screen caption, contact me everyone/friends. Voiceover, Step 4, clear Snapchat cache. In settings, tap clear cache, then clear. On-screen caption, Step 4, clear cache. Voiceover, still not working? Step 5, uninstall and reinstall Snapchat, then log back in. On-screen caption, Step 5, reinstall. Voiceover, now reopen Snapchat and check added me again, your friend requests should finally show up. On-screen caption, check added me again plus small fixed note.